Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sydney if any of you guys are new here, and if you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. How many years and how many videos have I made saying that exact same intro? In this video, I am going to be showing you guys how to do your nails at home using Nailboo's dip powders. And so a lot of the times when I do product reviews and unboxings and whatever, I will have companies reach out to me like by my email and like they'll ask like, hey, can we exchange this product? And like we'll come up with some kind of whole deal and everything. But this time, I asked Nailboo if they would generously send me a nail kit for me to share with you guys and test out and see if Nailboo is actually worth the hype. Because right now, you know, nobody's really wanting to go to nail salons because it's still iffy to go out. I know I have not been wanting to go out as many places as I've seen people go out on Instagram, but that just is me. I'm gonna go ahead now and show you guys what actually came in my dip powder set. I did go ahead and try this out like a week and a half ago, and I filmed this video already with my sister Delaney. I did not like how that video turned out, mainly because I was sick and I had a really bad cold and it was thunderstorming, so the audio just was not the best. My nails totally would have stayed on if I didn't purposely pick them off because I knew I wanted to refilm it. You know what I'm saying? So in my little nail kit, it came with a little instruction manual. It is so small, but it really lays out all of the instructions easily, and I plan just to keep this, even though like the steps are easy and everything is actually numbered here on the bottles, I do like to refer back to this. So the first step that I am going to do is just to take number 1, which is the base, and apply a thin layer of the base coat to my nails. And then once I have the base coat on my nails, I will be dipping my nails at a 45-degree angle into this base powder. And the base powder is just like a white powder like this. Okay, so something that I found helpful the first time that I was applying the base coat is to avoid getting anything onto your cuticles, because this is obviously the first step, and anything that you get onto your cuticles will then absorb the build powder, and you don't want that because it'll just be super hard to get off. I take the build powder right now and just dip my nail into that like so. And then I'm going to take this little fluffy brush right here and just dust off all the excess powder. Alright, so what I'm doing right here is I'm just applying a second coat of the base, which I just applied, and instead of dipping it into the build powder, I will now be dipping it into the colors that I'm going to be choosing. I'm going to take my white color right here and dip my nails into that, just like how I did for the build powder. And then taking, oops, dip it all in. Okay, and once my nail is completely coated in that, I will be taking the little brushy thing and just brushing off the excess. So now that my one hand is fully coated with the color, you can tell it's kind of looking a little bit bumpy right now. When I did this the first time, I was a little bit scared because I was like, oh my gosh, it looks so clumpy. But that is okay, because after the next step that I'm going to do, I will be filing and shaping my nails. But what I'm gonna do right now is just apply this activator, and this will just harden the nails and allow the base and the color to actually like become one. So now that my nails have all of the activator on them, I will be waiting 5 minutes, and then I will be coming back, washing my nails, and then taking this filer right here that was provided in my nail kit and just filing my nails and shaping them as desired. So it has been about 5 minutes since I put the top coat on and my nails are complete. I'm gonna show you guys a close-up. Obviously they're not perfect. This is only the second time that I have done them, but in total, I would say it took about 30 minutes. Give or take. I think it actually was shorter, and it would have been much shorter, but I was recording, so I really can't give you an accurate how long it took me to do my nails, but I would say really under 30 minutes. And I think that is actually really good because every time I'm sitting doing my nails with actual polish, I don't have patience. I go on my phone and then I get nail polish on my phone and then I'll start walking around and my nails will already be smudged not even an hour after I did them. So I can totally touch my nails, do anything with them. They feel like acrylics kind of, or gel at least, because they're just like a thicker dip powder. That's what dip powder is. It's just a thicker nail polish. So this is what they look like. I wanted just to give you like an accurate, idea of what your nails could look like if you did dip powder. I feel like a lot of the videos that I watch, it's like all professionals doing their nails, and I am no professional whatsoever. So I hope this video helped you. If you are interested at all in Nailboo, I actually have a 20% off coupon code for you guys. I will put that on the screen and in the description box. I want to say a big thank you to Nailboo for sending me this nail starter kit. I will have information onto where you can get your own starter kit down below as well. So this is going to be it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Let me know what you guys think of my nails and maybe other colors that I should try out. So this is it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.
And I'm never on always stay started. I do it how you say you want it, want it, want it. Niggas wanna take my money. I just